Hello everyone. Every few months, there is an AI update that makes you stop and think, wait, this is actually feels like the future. And today, Marble from Word Labs exactly one of those moments. If you never seen a true word model in action, not just text to image or video generation, but a fully explorable 3D environment created from a single photo or even just a sentence, you are in the right place. I'm Vida. Welcome to Tech Tech Tech. Marble is Word Labs frontier level multimodal word model. Instead of predicting the next word, it predicts the next moment in a space. Think of it this way. Large language models guess what you're going to say next. Word models guess what the word will look like next. Geometry, lighting, structure, objects, and how they relate to each other. And Word Labs, led by Dr. Faili, is convinced this is the foundation for more advanced AI, especially embodied AI and robotics. What makes Marble stand out is how well it maintains a spatial consistency, something most models struggle with. If you generate a room, move the camera, look away, and look back, the objects are still exactly where they should be. So most AI you see today is built on large language models. They're great at predicting text, but word models are different. They attempt something completely different. They try to predict how the word looks and behaves. Not the next word, but the next moment in the 3D space. Marble represents this new direction. It aims to understand depth, lighting, structure, consistency, everything that makes the word feel real. Word Labs call this a spatial intelligence, the ability to reconstruct, simulate, and let you move inside of a 3D environment created entirely by AI. If you think about it, humans don't understand the world through just language. We combine sight, sound, touch, movement, and spatial awareness to build a mental model of reality. Dr. Faili believes AI needs that same foundation. So, large language models alone can't capture how the physical world actually works. Marble is their attempt to build that missing layer. Marble can start from text, a single image, multiple image, a video clip, or a rough 3D layout. Then it generates 3D world that you can navigate inside. One you can explore, edit, expand, and export. So when you're done creating that, you can export it as an image, a video, a Gaussian splat, or a mesh. And yes, you can modify the word with instructions, just like prompting a language model, but inside 3D space. Here's an example. Take a simple image, even one photo from your phone. Marble turns it into a world you can walk around inside, almost like stepping into a memory. Suddenly, a flat picture becomes a fully explorable environment. Or you can try a text prompt. Marble will build that environment from scratch, complete with lighting, depth, and objects placed coherently. You can upload a front view, a back view, a single angle, or even 4 photos. Marble merge everything into a single consistent space. The more angle you give, the more accurate the word becomes. One of the coolest features is editing. For example, turn the wall into a space and replace all the tables with benches. Marble rebuilds the word instantly. Turn the turtles into tigers, or turn the tall green plants into French fries. And it does it exactly like that. So from every angle. You can now use Marble to preview renovations. Take a picture of your kitchen, load it in, and then change the countertops to black. And Marble shows you the upload image inside a fully 3D version of your kitchen. Very interesting, yeah? You can also start with a rough 3D block layout and adding a text prompt describing the final style, and then Marble is going to generate a detailed, realistic world. If you look at the homepage, you can see featured words that other users made. When you open one, you can move through it like a virtual camera. Some words have a limited range. Once you move past the generated boundary, it becomes blurry. But the long-term vision is to generate environment endlessly as you move. One trick I love is pulling the camera outside the word. You can see the entire generated structure floating in space like a digital sculpture. That's very interesting. Here's another example, a space capsule overlooking Earth. You can rotate, move around, look through the window, and observe the planet rotating outside. So the lighting and perspective shift realistically as you move. That's very cool. Now let's talk about the pricing. Marble has a free plan with plenty of credits. Also have $20 per month plan and $30 per month pro tier, which currently is $1 for first month, and a max plan offering the highest credits. But to get started, the free tier is more than enough. So that's Marble, one of the most advanced word models we've ever had access to. I highly recommend trying it yourself. I leave the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.